Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to this channel. It's your girl Braids by Camelise. And today we are diving into one of my favorite kinds of appointments, a good old overdue microlocs retie. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all things lock, care, and confidence. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you. I appreciate you more than you know. Now, let me tell you something about reties. They are repetitive, but they are so powerful. They are not flashy or dramatic, but they are where the real transformation happens. Every twist, every part, every section is like bringing other back to something that has grown wild. You know how life gets. Sometimes you blink and it's been 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, and your retire appointment is long overdue. It happens to the best of us. You see, I've had clients come onto my chair with a whole lot of new growth. Parts had vanished, the sections were blending, and the locks, they are still strong, still healthy. That's the thing about microlocs. They are not just a hairstyle, they're a journey. They evolve with you. So today, we are gently bringing back this crown into alignment, taking our time, respecting the roots, and letting the process do its work. I kind of remember one of my past experience where a client had called and whispered as if she's making a confession that please don't judge me. I haven't had a retire in months. And guess what? I just laughed because sis, I'm not here to judge. I'm here to help. We all have those seasons in our life where self-care falls to the side. When you sit down in my chair with your locks puffy or frizzy or tangled or matted together, I know that beneath all of that is progress, real growth. You don't lose your journey just because you missed a few steps. So we're going to walk slowly, starting from the nape, creating clean paths again, letting the scalp breathe. And by the time we are done, your locks will look great because you look in the mirror and they will smile right back at you. And that is what I love about doing this work. Reties are about more than hair. They're about helping people connect or reconnect with themselves. And while I'm walking through these rows, I want to remind you of a few things, some affirmations for your journey. Your hair is growing, even when you don't feel it. Your crown is worthy of consistency and care. You don't have to do it perfectly. Just keep showing up. You are not your delays. You are still growing. You are allowed to pause and still be powerful. I say this as someone who sees women come into my chair tired, overwhelmed, and stretched thin, but still showing up for themselves. And that is what matters. So let this video be your sign. Whether your retire is overdue or your energy is low, you are still doing your best. And that is more than enough. You know, this moment right here reminds me of something deeper. I am a faith-based girl, and I will always tell you something that could keep you going for a few days. And that brings to mind Psalm 139, verse 14. It says, I praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. That includes your cause. It includes your crown and your process. God doesn't require perfection before He pours into you. He meets you right where you are. Whether your paths are neat or your schedules are a mess or you are still figuring things out, just know that you are still wonderfully made. Locks are a process. They teach us patience. and they require surrender. They mirror your life, whether it's messy, beautiful, busy, growing. So, as I finish up this retire, I would like to say this. I want you to reflect. What are you reconnecting with today? What are you giving yourself grace for? And what part of you are you ready to care for again? Remember, you are beautifully and wonderfully made. All right, fam. If you made it this far, please drop a comment and let me know how you stayed for the glow up. I mean, when you drop a comment, I'll be sure that you watched to this moment. Tell me how often you do your retires and be honest. If you found encouragement in this, kindly share it with someone who needs a little reminder that their crown still matters, even in the messy seasons. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I post hair care, tutorials, and real talk from behind the chair. Until next time, keep your parts clean, your spirit full, and your locks flourishing. You got this, queen. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.